Creating a new client form in Practice Better is super easy, and in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to improve your workflow, stick around because I've got a couple of pro tips at the end that you won't want to miss. So let's dive in. First things first, log into your Practice Better account. Once you're in, head over to the Forms section on the left sidebar. This is where you can manage all of your client forms. If you're not sure where it is, just use the search bar in the top right corner to find it quickly. Next, click on New Form at the top of your screen. This is where you can create your new client form from scratch. You'll be prompted to give your form a name, something descriptive like New Client Intake Form, so you can easily identify it later. Once you've got your form title set, click Create. Now comes the fun part. You'll be taken to the form builder. Here, you can start adding questions to your form. You can choose from a variety of field types like text, multiple choice, drop-down menus, checkboxes, and more. Simply drag and drop the fields you want to use. Next thing, if you want to make the form more interactive, you can add conditional logic. This means that certain fields will only appear based on how your client answers previous questions. For example, if they say they have any medical conditions, you can display a follow-up question asking for more details. This saves time and keeps your forms clean and relevant. The fourth thing, don't forget to set up the form submission settings. You can choose to have the form automatically sent to your email once completed, or have the responses stored in Practice Better for easy access later. You can even send an automated thank you email to your client once they submit the form, so they know you received it. Next, you'll want to make sure the form looks professional and easy to read. Use the preview function to check how the form appears to your clients. Practice Better lets you customize the form's appearance with logos, colors, and other branding elements to match your practice's style. Finally, once your form is ready, you can assign it to a client. Head over to your Clients section, select the client you want to send the form to, and click on Forms. From there, you can easily send the form directly to them, either by email or by having them access it through their client portal. So, there you have it. That's how you create a new client form in Practice Better. It's straightforward, and once you've done it a few times, you'll be able to create forms in no time. Now, here's the thing. While Practice Better is great for managing client forms, there are other software options out there that might suit your needs better, especially when it comes to client communication and ease of use. In fact, I've got an exclusive offer for you. Through our link, you'll get an extended free trial to a software that does the same thing and even more. I'll tell you about that in just a second. But before you go, check the description for that exclusive offer. We've partnered with a competitor that offers an even better solution for managing client forms and appointments. This software is focused on streamlining your workflow and saving you time, and it's totally worth checking out. So, if you're ready to step up your practice management game, follow the link below to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits just for our viewers. Don't miss out, and good luck with your client forms.